In this video, I'll be talking about the Razer Deathadder V2 mouse. Now, if you're into gaming, this is the mouse you need. It's one of the best mouses out there for gaming. First things first, this mouse looks sleek and cool. It's got some snazzy RGB lighting that you can customize to match your style, but the most important part is how it feels in your hand. The Deathadder V2 is built for comfort. It's designed to fit nicely under your palm, and these side grips give you extra control during intense gaming sessions or long work hours. Now let's talk about what's really important, how it performs. The Deathadder V2 is all about speed and precision. It's got super accurate optical sensors that track your movements flawlessly. Whether you're sniping enemies in a shooter game or doing some detail for editing, the mouse has your back. You've got a bunch of buttons here, and they're all programmable. This means you can set them up to do exactly what you want. If you're a gamer, this is a game changer. You can assign different commands or macros to these buttons, giving you an edge over your opponents. Even if you're not a gamer, having extra buttons can be handy for things like copy pasting or navigating through web pages. The scroll wheel is another highlight. It's got a nice tactile feel to it, and you can customize how fast it scrolls. And sparkingly of customization, you can adjust the DPI on the fly. This means you can switch between slow, precise movements for, say, sniping and lightning fast moves for when you need to look around quickly. Now let's talk about durability. This mouse is built to last. The buttons are rated for millions of clicks, so you won't have to worry about it wearing out anytime soon. It's also got these slick, smooth feet on the bottom that make it gliding around your mousepad a breeze. Razer's software called Synapse lets you fine-tune this mouse to your liking. You can adjust the lighting, set up your button shortcuts, and even create profiles for different games or tasks. It's user-friendly and doesn't require a tech wizard to figure out. Now let's touch on the price. It's not the cheapest mouse out there, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. With all the features and quality build, it's a solid investment for serious gamers or anyone who wants a top-notch mouse. So in a nutshell, the Razer Deathadder V2 is a top-tier gaming mouse that also shines for productivity. It's comfortable, precise, and highly customizable. While it might be a bit on the pricier side, the performance and durability it offers makes it worthwhile investment for those who want the best. That'll be it for the video. The link for the mouse is in the description, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.